Hey drivers, really appreciate you guys. I know it's been a challenging year for all of us. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for being part of our team and part of our family. Love y'all, stay safe.
Good morning drivers, how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to check on you and see how you're doing and tell you we appreciate what you do. Thanks.
Hey, this is Chaz from Boyd Driver Support. I just want to say thank y'all for everything you do and we appreciate you.
Hi guys, this is Carolyn. I just want to thank you for everything you do. We appreciate you and stay safe out there.
Hi, I'm Steve and I just wanted to say thank you to our drivers and our contractors. You make our job so much easier and we appreciate all that you do.
Hey, good morning drivers. Hope you're well today. Just wanted to give you a shout out and tell you how much we appreciate you and the sacrifices you're making for Boyd. Be safe out there and take care.
Good morning, Boyd drivers. Thanks for all you guys do out on the road. Stay safe.
Good morning, drivers. We want to just thank you for all the things that you do. I know it's a tough thing out there to do, but you guys, you hold it down, away from your family, and you do a great job. We appreciate you. Thanks for all you do.
Good morning, guys. I just want you to know how much I really appreciate what you do for us. You are the backbone of this organization.
Hey, Boyd drivers, thank you for all you do. Stay safe out there.
Hey, drivers. Thanks for everything you do. Stay safe out there.
Hey, drivers. Thank you for everything you do. We wouldn't be running without you.
Hey, drivers. We appreciate everything y'all do. Thank y'all.
Hey, drivers. Thank you for all that you do. Stay safe.
Hey, guys. Thanks for all you do. Stay safe out there.
Hey, guys. Appreciate your hard work and your dedication to driving. Hope y'all stay safe out there. Thank y'all for everything you do.
Hey, drivers. We appreciate what y'all do and stay safe on the road out there, man.
Hey, guys. My name's Collins Henry. I'm sales manager here at Boyd Brothers. Just want to say thank you for everything you guys do. As our mission statement says, you guys are our lifeblood. It's all about the driver. And remember, we're here to help any way we can. Feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you.
Hey, Boyd drivers. Just wanted to thank you for everything that you do for Boyd. Please stay safe out there.
I just want to say thank you for all you do for us guys. Appreciate all the hard work, staying out over the road. Just stay safe out there.
Hey guys, Beth Steed here. I just want to say thank y'all so much for everything you do here at Boyd. You make my job so much easier. Stay safe out there. Thank you.
Hey Boyd drivers, this is Skylar. I'm the digital content coordinator. Just wanted to say thank you for all that y'all do. We really wouldn't be able to do our job without y'all. Thank y'all so much for your hard work and stay safe out there.
Hey guys, Nick Walker here, your Director of Operations. Just want to tell you guys that we appreciate everything that you do for us and stay safe out on the road, guys.
Hey drivers, just wanted to say thank you for all you do. Thank you for being safe out there.
Thank you to the Boyd drivers and their families. Your commitment and sacrifice is what makes Boyd Brothers successful. Please stay safe out there.
Hey drivers, this is Big Ken here. I just wanted to call, or excuse me, I just a little video clip here, sorry, to tell you guys we thank you. I thank you. I appreciate everything that y'all do. If you ever need any help, anything, you know who to call. But once again, 2 thumbs way up. And this is Big Ken signing out.
Everybody, Andrew Hauser with Boyd Brothers. Just wanted to take a minute to tell you, all of our drivers and their families, how much we appreciate you. You know, the events of the last year showed the world and all Americans what we already knew, just how important the professional truck driver is to this country. So for all your sacrifice, when you're on the road, when you're away from home, when you're dealing with what you have to deal with every single week, from the bottom of our heart, thank you for what you do. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.
Morning guys, hey, I just want to say thank you for all you do for us. Just keep up the good work and be safe.
Hi drivers, John Willman, Operation Manager here in the Cofield, North Carolina yard. We just want to say we appreciate everything you guys do. Just keep doing what you're doing. Come on up here, we'll get you guys loaded up and keep you guys rolling.
This is Sarah from Boyd Yard in Cofield. I want to say I appreciate y'all for all y'all do. Keep doing what you do and be safe.
Hey drivers, this is Kilroy Williams. I appreciate all y'all do. Thank you.
What's going on, truck driver? This is Marcus out here in Cofield. I just want to say we appreciate all y'all do for us and continue doing a great job. And I look forward to seeing y'all to come load y'all up.
Hey Boyd family, just wanted to reach out and express my appreciation for you guys. So often we just live our lives day to day, and the things that we take for granted the most are only available because you guys are out there putting the work in, making the sacrifice, time away from the family, and that just means the world to me. And I think it's important that we all say that. So thank you very much. Stay safe out there. We're all praying for you, and we're all just doing everything we can to keep those wheels turning for you.
Just want to let all the drivers know that we sure appreciate you working here at Boyd, and you're all part of our family. Thank you.
I found this little saying. It's a prayer for the drivers.
Down all the highways that you travel, blacktop, stone, and gravel, on every journey through and through, may God's angels ride with you. Thank you, drivers, for all that you sacrifice to help keep this country moving.
Hey guys, this is David Johnson. I'm the CFO of Boyd Companies. Just wanted to send out a quick message to you to say thank you for everything you do. Thank you for your sacrifices and for your family sacrifices as well for you guys being on the road. So keep doing what you're doing, stay safe, and we appreciate you.
On behalf of all of us in Clayton, Alabama, we want to thank you guys for what you do out there. Thank you again.
On behalf of the Boyd Brothers Administration Department and the IT Department, we would like to thank you for all of your hard work and dedication. You, our drivers, make our company successful. Your dedication every day, day in and day out, speaks for itself. Thanks a bunch.
Hi guys, on behalf of Boyd Brothers Recruiting Department, we just want to say thanks. We appreciate everything you do.
Thank you, drivers. Thank you, drivers.